It can feel exhausting creating content from scratch. Many beginners get stuck staring at a blank page. Turning an article into content doesn't have to take hours. I'm using a short example here, but feel free to tweak the prompt and paste your own article. In moments, you have multiple social media posts ready to share, saving time and keeping your content consistent. This gives you a simple way to repurpose content without starting from scratch. But AI content alone won't grow your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to turn this content into a system that consistently builds your business, all delivered in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database for tested prompts and a one-on-one AI strategy call, giving you the tools to take action and get results faster. Transform your articles into content that works for you every day. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to make it a system, and it's just $17 to get started. Grab the link in the description and start creating smarter today.